So, good day everyone. Um, I apologize for my camera syempre. As you can see, nasira siya and parang may dumi and malabo. Pagpasensyahan niyo na po. So, good day everyone. I am Jonathan M. Darwin, third year civil engineering student from Colegio de Muntinlupa. Today, I'll be presenting the highlights of my on-the-job training experience at SharePro Incorporated, conducted from June to July 2024. For the contents, it includes introduction, company profile, on-the-job training activities, engineering problems, technical and soft skills learned, conclusion and recommendation. Introduction. For the introduction, this presentation summarizes my on-the-job training experiences at SharePro Incorporated, a subsidiary of Philinvest Development Corporation. The goal of the training was to connect classroom knowledge with real-world engineering practices. I was assigned to the Department of Program Management Office where I perform both office-based tasks and field monitoring. The training allowed me to gain essential technical knowledge, enhance my soft skill, and better understand the demand of construction industry. For the next part, company profile. So basically, as I have mentioned, my OJT happened here at SharePro Incorporated or mas kilala sa tinatawag na SPI. SPI is a fully owned subsidiary of Philinvest Development Corporation. The company specializes in providing technical management and consultancy services. For their mission is to provide value to their shareholder stakeholders by consistently executing and delivering projects on time, on cost, and approved quality. Or their vision is to become a leading design, procurement, and construction management company known for its commitment to excellence and services. And for their values, there are customer centricity, change for the better, Pilinbest family, entrepreneurial mindset, share benefits, and trustworthiness. So, ito yung organizational structure nila led by Josephine Gutierrez Yap and followed by Ismael Bibe Baisa and Cherry B. Fernandez and so on and so forth. So, under my department that I was assigned, our program management officer was Sir Ralph Ardrin E. Ong. So, as I have mentioned before, I am assigned at program management offices. Beside that, SharePro Incorporated has this department. Una, yung technical planning, siyempre. Pangalawa, project management or construction management. Pangatlo, project cost management. Con- Pang-apat, contract admins and management. Supply chain management. Quality assurance and corporate and admin support. And they offer services like Roland, pre-design and design, tender, pre-construction and construction, and also turnover. So for their projects, meron ding high-end residential, may mid-affordable residentials, may the levels, studio or studio send. Kilala dito yung yung festival mall natin. May hospitality din, itong Crimson Hotel, may mixed use and township din. And lastly, housing and mid-rise building. And next is on the job training activities. For the on the job training activities, unang-una siyempre, they orient us and do corporate familiarization. The on-the-job training officially commences with a structure orientation program designed to familiarize students with SharePro Incorporated environment, internal workflows, and operational culture. This introductory structure and core values and provided insights into the role of various departments, especially the department that I was assigned, the program management office, where the student assigned. Technical systems such as Grade and Smartsheet were introduced along with briefings on company policies, dress code, and performance expectation. The orientation laid the foundation, the professional conduct, emphasizing punctuality, initiative, and effective communication. Next activity is grade and Smartsheet dashboard training. Training involved extensive hands-on exposure to primary digital tool, which is Grade and Smartsheet. Grades means concern, risk, assumption, issues, and decision. Was used to document project risk and track issues resolutions, enhancing governance and transparency. In Smartsheet, the student apply the student learn to build and manage dynamic dashboard, apply conditional formatting, automate status update, and create cross-sheet reference for master list consolidation. This training develop not only technical proficiency but also improve the students' understanding of how digital system support real-based or real-time decision making and risk mitigation in large-scale projects. Next is project master list and schedule development. The student took part in managing the company's central project master list involving over 100 projects. This includes verifying and updating project identifiers, name, location, and ownership details. The student also helped develop schedules covering procurement, design, permitting and construction phases, using templates and coordinating with project leaders, the student refine timelines and learn about dependency and milestone. The critical path method or CPM was introduced, helping the student understand how early stage delays impact downstream tasks. This experience strengthens skills in project planning, attention to details, and timeline management po. And next is field exposure and site visitations. Site visits to projects such as Studio and Tower and its parking building give the student real-time exposure to construction operation. Observation includes concrete pouring, river installation, masonry work, and MEPS or mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and fire protection system. The student joined quality and safety inspection using checklists and documentation findings. This um, this hands-on experience revealed the complexities of site coordination and reinforced the significance of safety protocols, quality assurance, and technical accuracy in executing construction tasks. Next is construction quality monitoring. The student participated in making good inspection, which involved identifying defects in structural and architectural finishes before turnover. Initial difficulties in spotting defects such as honeycombs or uneven finishes were overcome through guidance and repetition. The student learned to use inspection tools and punch lists to record findings accurately and recommend corrective action. This class enhanced attention to detail and deepened the student appreciation for the quality standards required in professional construction practices. Next is dashboard optimization and data automation. To support SharePro goals of efficiency, the student work on optimizing dashboard by revising templates, locking formulas, and embedding automation features. This included adding project-specific fields, configuring color indicators for status tracking, and building summary widgets and pie charts. The student used Smartsheet function like cross-sheet referencing and column formulas to streamline data entry and reduce manual errors. These improvements made project report more accurate, visually clear, and user friendly, reflecting the growing importance of automation in more modern engineering workflows. Next is construction documentation and reporting. The student was assigned to prepare professional reports, including weekly progress updates and quality assessment. A key format used was the Studio and SQTC, yung Safety, Quality, Time and Cost Report, which combine narrative commentary, progress photos, and metrics. The student learned to structure contents, integrate charts, and present technical findings clearly and concisely. These tasks improve both technical writing and document formatting skills, demonstrating the critical role of effective reporting in construction transparency and accountability. And next is material verification and BOQ dispute review. A critical task involved assisting with the verification of the BOQ and BOM submitted by contractors. This includes comparing actual site conditions with the approved documentation, focusing on rebar quantities, concrete volumes, and labor allocation. Discrepancies were discussed with the contractor and recalculate